Drill a 16mm diameter hole at the determined position. Insert the fingerprint panel into the hole by inserting the cable through the opening. The positioning piece passes through the connecting cable. Use screws to secure the fingerprint panel. Connect the cable between the lock body and the panel. Route the connecting wires through the access hole and secure them within the lock body's wiring channel. Built-in drawer with latch aligned with edge of drawer panel. Use 2 wood screws to secure the lock body. For inside drawers, the clearance between the baffle and cabinet edge equals drawer panel thickness plus 5mm. Use wood screws to secure the baffle. Installation complete. Fingerprint.
Settings, any finger can unlock. Enter administrator fingerprint, press the fingerprint and hold until the green light is on. Then enter the same fingerprint 8 times. A long beep indicates a success. Enter user fingerprints or press the administrator fingerprint and hold until the blue light is on. Then press the administrator fingerprint to confirm. Then enter the user's fingerprint 8 times. A long beep indicates a success. Factory reset. Delete administrator and user's fingerprint. Press the administrator fingerprint, hold until red light is on. And press the administrator fingerprint to confirm. A long beep indicates a success. USB key. Plug the USB key into the Type-C interface to initialize. A long sound indicates a successful initialization. USB key is not allowed to use in the alarm state. When a low battery alert appears, connect the power supply to charge.